Okay, so if you're looking for an entire top to bottom to collection, you'll get lots of jewelry options, you'll get lots of clothing options, you'll get footwear options as well. If you're looking for dress materials, Lucknowi, if you're looking for some bandhej collection, if you're looking for dupattas, chaniya cholis, lehengas, then this exhibition has it all. There are 9 brands that have come over here, Reflection and Reflection 2.0 ma, and only here for 2 days, today and tomorrow, that is 5th and 6th of January. Collection jo hoy, so you know what to do. Swipe there.
Hi.
Hi, my name is Niyati. My brand name is Hania Makers. So આજે આપણે વેડિંગ કલેક્શન લાવ્યા છે. This is in Banarasi tissue.
Banarasi tissue.
In Chanderi.
Chanderi.
It's a 3-piece set.
Okay.
Something like this. We have color options, gaji and tissue set.
Okay.
Then આપણી પાસે બાંધણીના cords છે.
બાંધણીના cords છે.
Badla and coin work which can be customizable.
Okay.
Then something like this, casual cords છે.
Casual cords.
These are also in Chanderi.
Okay.
Then the entire rack is 15% off.
15% off છે એમની પાસે dress materials માં
જેમાં
પણ
આપણી
છે.
પાસે આવા dress materials છે which are for flat 4500.
Okay. And they also
then
have some
what
nice
I-
casual wear shirts.
Hello, we have Malchanderi sets, we have kaftans,
So this brand is Krimisha Dasani.
yeah, and we have sharara sets like this.
Sharara sets. Okay. They have some nice chaniya choli options as well, like these.
Like for Gruh Pravesh or
Okay.
we have casuals also.
Casual wear માં પણ collection છે and they are running discounts in their casual wear collection.
Yes.
Okay. And what are the discounts?
Flat 30%.
Flat 30%.
Yes.
Okay.
We have some party wear velvet dresses also.
Velvet dresses,
And we have
corduroy
it on
jackets.
Linen also.
Linen માં shirts છે અને tops છે.
Yes.
Okay.
And we have handwork blouses which are customizable.
They have handwork blouses as well and these are all customizable. Alright, this brand is called Krimisha Dasani. This brand is?
Supriya Creation, खूबसूरत चिकनकारी.
Okay, so they
Light
have chicken curry collection. They've come all the way from Bombay. So they have some nice...
Mukesh.
Hmm.
All are moti.
Okay, मोती काम માં છે.
ये टिश्यू पे है.
Tissue માં options છે.
पूरा हेवी अंगरखाज.
अंगरखाज માં भी options છે with मोती काम. Okay.
सब टिश्यू पे है.
Tissue માં options
फ्रॉक
છે.
स्टाइल मुकेश.
So they have semi-stitched dress materials.
And these heavy anarkalis also Malchanderi.
Heavy anarkalis છે. Lehengas માં options છે એમની પાસે.
Heavy anarkalis.
Okay. Okay.
All are anarkalis. ये लहंगास है.
Okay. And they have some nice cord sets and casual wear options as well.
Saris.
Saris. Okay, let's take a look at these.
Saris.
Some casual wear pieces like these.
Hi, I'm Anil from Pacheri. આ વખતે we have added ચણિયા ચોળી છે, unstitched છે. We have lot of color options એમાં. Bright ને festive color options છે. પછી
Okay.
sarees છે new design માં.
Saris છે.
Colors
these.
બધા છે એમાં options.
Okay.
પછી then we have ટસર માં છે, મૂંગામાં છે,
ટસર માં અને મૂંગામાં options છે.
georgette માં છે.
Okay.
Then we have this dress materials છે. Materials છે which you can turn it into an Indo-Western dress or a dhoti or you know.
Okay.
પછી our signature આભા.
આભાસ.
પછી આ ચંદેરીમાં છે.
ચંદેરીમાં options છે.
આ ચંદેરીમાં options છે.
Okay.
અને આ બધા કલર્સ છે એના. અને આ બધા દુપટ્ટાસ છે. We have added double color dupattas in georgette.
Okay.
Then we have some new design.
Hi, this is Prachi Shah. We have pure silver jewelry, statement rings છે, statement earrings છે, fusion છે, bug collection છે. These are stones for silver jewelry છે. Then we have this unique pieces, બધા single pieces છે. These are gold plated. Then these are neck pieces. ત્યાં સામે statement neck pieces છે.
Let's take a look at the statement neck pieces. statement earrings and statement
Statement
necklaces
necklaces.
both.
Then these are real diamond look-alike on silver. It will stay like this only.
Okay, real diamond look like on
On
silver.
silver, pure silver.
Okay.
આ બધું daily wear છે. These are ear pins. These are bugdis. These are regular wear earrings. Then we have hair pins, brooches છે, pendants છે. So everything is 92.5 pure silver, and we have 15 to 20% off on the current rate.
So this brand is called Karikala.
So hi. So we have some tops. We
Okay.
have some tops which you can wear in jeans.
Short tops पर options છે એમની પાસે.
So we have in chanderi.
ચંદેરી માં options છે. Okay. ટિશ્યુ માં કઈ જોઈતું હોય તો ટિશ્યુ માં પણ options એમની પાસે
Shirts
available
in
છે.
a tissue.
These are tissue shirts. Okay.
We have sharara sets,
શરારા sets.
3-piece sets.
3-piece suit માં પણ options છે એમની પાસે which come with
We
a
have
dupatta.
tops.
Okay. ખાલી કુર્તાસ જોઈતા હોય તો એમાં options
Design
છે.
muslin.
Okay.
We have sets also.
ઓકે કંઈક હેવી વર્ક સાથે જોઈતું હોય તો હેવી વર્કમાં પણ ઓપ્શન્સ છે લાઈક these are semi stitched.
Semi-stitched.
They have options in whites as well. All right. And આ જે આખું રેક તમે જોઈ રહ્યા છો એના પર ડિસ્કાઉન્ટ છે. ડિસ્કાઉન્ટ શું છે?
15 to 20%.
15 to 20%. So
Hi, I'm Farida from Satika. મારી પાસે બનારસી હેન્ડ વોવન દુપટ્ટાસ છે કતાન સિલ્ક પર બધી જ ટાઈપનું વીવિંગ મળી જશે રંગકાટ પણ છે ઝાલપર પણ છે ડિફરન્ટ મોટિવ્સ પણ છે દેન વી હેવ ઇન મૂંગા ઓલ્સો
okay.
કોઈ પણ વાઇબ્રન્ટ કલર્સ જોતા હોય ફોર કુર્તા કે ચણિયા ચોલી તો પણ છે દેન ચિનિયા સિલ્ક પર પણ અવેલેબલ છે
Okay.
Then we have some in resham work as well.
રેશમ વર્ક.
Yes, bandage banarasi mixture panche combination.
So these were all dupattas that we
Yes.
saw.
Then we have dress materials as well. 3-piece set આવશે આમાં.
Okay.
Dupatta, kurta and bottom. Everything is pure silk and again this is in really good quality of jari and hand woven.
Okay.
આમાં different motifs આવશે.
Okay.
Then Stellar by Shivani Jewels.
Okay, so this is Stellar by Shivani Jewels. They have some nice
Minakari with the diamonds,
They have nice ring options like these.
ruby.
Okay, they have bangles
Bangles
and
also.
kadas. Yes. So they have silver jewelry options. They have sterling silver jewelry options. And એમની પાસે lab grown diamonds સાથેના પણ options અહીંયા available છે. They have some nice destination jewelry options as well. Destination weddings માં કઈ પહેરવું હોય તો એમાં options છે.
આવી રીતે bracelets પણ છે, tennis bracelets માં fancy.
Bracelets છે, tennis bracelets માં options છે. Like
આ silver
these.
માં છે, heart shape નું છે.
Okay. They have earring options like these as well. Okay. They have more options over here. You can just come and take a look. એમની પાસે બહુ જ બધું collection છે. Lots of different pieces to choose from. So you can come and take a look at their collection personally. This brand is called Stella. So this brand is called Soul Bay. They have an amazing collection of footwear options like these over here. This closed shoes are part of their new collection. And એમાં 3 colors available છે like these. They have more footwear options. Flats માં કઈ જોઈતું હોય, કઈ metallic shades માં જોઈતું હોય તો એમાં options છે like these over here. Okay, if you're looking for some pastel shades, thoda dusty shades જોઈતા હોય તો એમાં પણ options છે. They have something with small heels. They have something with heels like these. Okay. Platform style માં કઈ જોઈતું હોય તો એમાં પણ options available છે. They have options like these over here. Okay. And they have a lot more options to choose from over here as well. Sizes પણ તમને મળી જશે. And they are into customizations of any color combinations as well in case you want that. This brand is called Soul Bay.